in 2006.
Yeah, I know.
has come
$650 a coin. I didn't know where to buy it.
and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. Though I won't